What's up?
And the aileron servo rotates the tube back and forth for the aileron movement. And there's the elevator servo mounted on this tube, so it moves with the tube rotating. And it's got a push rod directed too.
It's one of those things where if I tried to design it, it'd probably take like 3 or 4 or 10 tries before I got it.
Well, I had it working right the first time, but it just didn't last. It kind of wore out. It was sloppy, so I redid it. And it's been fine on this one.
I flinched.
I thought it was going to burn out.
I flinched big time, and I knew it was coming.
Yeah.
The video is going to have a shimmy.
Okay.
You got to land right on your trolley.
We keep trying to get him to do that. He likes the living brakes alongside the runway.
I'll run down the runway and catch it. Or just land on the tail wheel. You don't got too much of wind at all, but it's headed.
You're only sticking out about a foot.
You're the right way though.
Yeah, you want to come in right to left. There's almost no wind. Keep going, you get right to the gear.
I gotta go chase it.
Yeah. You could just ramp right up onto the